Are you eager to build a successful career? Well, look no further. The Cisco Academy at UET Peshawar is your gateway to a world of opportunities. Located within the Department of Computer Systems Engineering, our academy is led by Engineer Ihsan ul-Haq, a Cisco certified instructor and assistant professor. We offer a comprehensive range of courses designed to equip you with the skills demanded by today's industry. Our flagship programs include Cisco Certified Network Associate, which is divided into 3 essential modules: Introduction to Networks, Switching, Routing, and Wireless Essentials, and lastly, Enterprise Networking, Security, and Automation. In addition to Cisco Certified Network Associate, we offer specialized programs such as Advanced Python Programming and Cybersecurity Ethical Hacking. We provide a unique blend of physical and real-time online classes simultaneously. Our state-of-the-art lab is equipped with multiple Wi-Fi connections and air conditioning, providing an optimal learning environment. We believe in hands-on experience, and our students receive extensive training on hardware to ensure they are job-ready from day one. Upon successful completion of your course, you will earn an internationally recognized certificate from Cisco, opening doors to countless career possibilities.